Welcome to World Knowledge. Today we're taking you on a journey through one of the most fascinating countries in the world, the United Kingdom. In this video, we're going to explore a nation full of rich traditions, inspiring history, and vibrant culture. You'll discover why the UK continues to captivate millions around the globe with its unique blend of modern influence and timeless heritage. We'll cover everything from the evolution of its history and independence to iconic landmarks and local cuisine. Along the way, you will learn about the celebrated personalities who have made their mark not only in the UK, but internationally. And we'll also delve into the natural wonders and resources that define the landscape. Whether you're planning a visit, curious about international contributions, or simply love learning about different cultures, this journey promises to provide a comprehensive and engaging look at the United Kingdom. So, let's dive in and explore this remarkable land together. The United Kingdom has a complex and intriguing history that stretches back centuries, where different nations gradually came together to form the modern state we know today. Historically, England, Scotland, Wales, and Northern Ireland each have ancient roots and proud traditions. Over time, alliances, dynastic marriages, and conquests paved the way for the gradual unification of these countries. Key moments, such as the signing of various treaties and acts of union, have played a critical role in shaping the nation's identity. Although the concept of independence is different from that of newly emerging nations, major milestones like the establishment of devolved parliaments in Scotland, Wales, and Northern Ireland are seen as important steps in empowering regional voices within the UK framework. Their rich histories incorporate centuries of political evolution, social reform, and cultural renaissance. The British tradition of parliamentary democracy and constitutional monarchy reflects a long journey of gradual change rather than a single moment of independence. This evolution highlights the manner in which the UK balanced tradition with modernity, adapting over time and encouraging innovation while respecting history, ultimately crafting a stable and resilient state admired and emulated by many around the world. In the United Kingdom, the official language is English, spoken by the vast majority of the population, though multiple regional languages such as Welsh, Scots Gaelic, and Irish can also be heard, reflecting the country's multicultural heritage. English serves as a bridge connecting the diverse cultural enclaves of the UK, offering a common thread through which people communicate. A simple and warm way to greet someone in Britain is by saying "good morning," a phrase that resonates with friendliness and respect. This greeting sets a positive tone for the day, inviting conversations and establishing connections, no matter where you find yourself in the UK. The United Kingdom has produced an array of iconic personalities whose contributions have shaped the cultural, political, and scientific landscapes of not just the nation, but the entire world. From literary giants like William Shakespeare and Jane Austen to revolutionary scientists such as Isaac Newton and Stephen Hawking, the creative and intellectual spirit of Britain has left an indelible mark on history. In modern times, influential figures, including members of the British royal family, acclaimed musicians, and celebrated actors, have continued to reinforce the country's global appeal. These individuals embody a legacy of innovation, resilience, and a commitment to excellence. Their work in diverse fields, from arts and entertainment to science and diplomacy, demonstrates the UK's significant impact on the world stage. The blend of tradition and modernity in these personalities mirrors the overall character of the United Kingdom, making it a land where history meets contemporary brilliance. British cuisine offers a delightful mix of traditional flavors and contemporary twists, reflecting the country's rich history and cultural diversity. From the classic comfort of fish and chips, wrapped in paper at the beachside, to the elegance of an afternoon tea accompanied by freshly baked scones and clotted cream, the food of the UK tells its own story. Every region in the country carries its own culinary signature, whether it is the hearty stews of the north or the refined dishes influenced by a global palate in cosmopolitan cities. Traditional meals often include locally sourced ingredients that honor the natural bounty of the British Isles, while modern chefs continue to innovate by fusing traditional recipes with international flavors. This dynamic culinary landscape not only satisfies the palate, but also represents centuries of evolution in taste, tradition, and a love for comfort food that resonates with people young and old. The United Kingdom is blessed with a variety of natural resources that have historically supported its development and continue to contribute to its economy. The country's rural landscapes boast scenic beauty, with lush greenery, rolling hills, and extensive coastlines, making it a haven for nature lovers. In addition to its picturesque scenery, the UK has significant deposits of coal, oil, and natural gas, which have powered its industrial growth for decades. More recently, there has been a strong focus on renewable energy sources, such as wind and solar power, reflecting a modern commitment to sustainable development. These natural assets remain an integral part of the nation's cultural and economic tapestry. Throughout its history, the United Kingdom has extended its influence far beyond its borders through cultural, economic, and educational initiatives. British contributions have supported and shaped the development of many nations, from providing a framework for parliamentary democracy to establishing prestigious universities that attract students worldwide. The legacy of the British Empire, while complex, includes lasting influences in language, law, and governance in numerous countries. Today, the UK continues to foster international cooperation and humanitarian support in various fields, from disaster relief to global health initiatives. These efforts underscore Britain's ongoing commitment to sharing its expertise and culture, helping build bridges across borders. The United Kingdom holds a prominent position in the global economy as one of the world's leading financial and industrial powerhouses. Home to the City of London, one of the largest financial centers, the UK has a robust banking sector and a wide range of industries, from technology and manufacturing to creative services and research. Despite challenges brought by evolving market dynamics and global shifts, the country continues to maintain a competitive edge, driven by innovation, skilled human capital, and a business-friendly environment. Trade remains a vital component of the economy, with strong links to Europe, North America, and emerging markets. Government policies and forward-thinking investments have kept the economic landscape dynamic and adaptable. This economic resilience not only defines the modern United Kingdom, but also plays an influential role in shaping international trade regulations and financial practices worldwide. The United Kingdom is a treasure trove of travel experiences, with attractions that cater to all kinds of adventurers, historians, and food lovers. London, the bustling heart of the nation, is home to some of the most iconic landmarks in the world. Whether you're marveling at the timeless chime of Big Ben, admiring the regal allure of Buckingham Palace, or crossing the beautifully arched Tower Bridge, each spot has a story to tell. London's urban vibe, combined with its historic neighborhoods and modern art galleries, offers a perfect blend of old-world charm and contemporary excitement. Beyond the cityscape, the English countryside presents a dramatically different scene. Imagine rolling hills dotted with quaint villages and centuries-old castles that evoke tales of medieval knights and royal intrigue. The pace of life here is relaxed, inviting you to explore winding country roads, visit charming tea rooms, and soak in the natural beauty that has inspired poets and artists for generations. In Scotland, the Highlands offer a breathtaking natural canvas. The rugged terrain and vast open spaces interspersed with ancient castles create an atmosphere of mystery and majesty. The Highlands are not only a haven for hikers and nature enthusiasts, but also a destination where folklore and history meld seamlessly, making every visit a journey back in time. Wales, with its striking coastline and dramatic landscapes, boasts legendary castles perched on hilltops and by the sea. The blend of rugged natural beauty and historic fortresses offers visitors ample opportunities to explore both the ancient traditions and contemporary life of the Welsh people. Northern Ireland adds its own unique marvel with the spectacular Giant's Causeway. This geological wonder is characterized by interlocking basalt columns formed by ancient volcanic activity and is surrounded by myths and legends that have captured the imagination of visitors for centuries. Each uniquely impressive landmark across the United Kingdom presents a facet of its diverse cultural and natural heritage, ensuring that every traveler leaves with a deep appreciation for this rich and ever-evolving land. When planning a trip to the United Kingdom, preparation is key to making the most of your visit. First and foremost, consider the varying weather patterns and pack layers to accommodate the often unpredictable British climate. Public transportation is efficient and widespread. Whether you're riding the tube in London or taking a scenic train through the countryside, planning journeys in advance can save you time and hassle. Accommodations range from stylish city hotels to quaint country inns, so choose based on the type of experience you wish to have. Embrace local customs like politely saying good morning and engaging with locals at markets or cafes to enrich your cultural experience. Finally, exploring lesser-known towns along with the major attractions can reveal hidden gems and allow you to enjoy an authentic slice of British life that many visitors miss. Thank you for joining us on this detailed exploration of the United Kingdom. We hope you enjoyed learning about its rich history, vibrant culture, and breathtaking landmarks. Remember to like, subscribe, and hit the bell to stay updated with more amazing journeys.